got something to say to Sony, my beloved Sony. You'd make I guarantee you'd make more money if, when I click on it, you see everything your friends are doing. Like this. See some friends playing something called Outbreak. Like, and you could click on it. I'm like, oh, that sounds interesting. And then, but there's, oh wait, well maybe it does. Hey, wait. Okay, maybe view and PS. Okay, well, but even more so, I guess you can. Let's see. I guess it does link it. I was like, a lot of times it doesn't link it. Well, you know what? It doesn't all the time, though. And that one, I guess it did. But you should have it even easy on these ones. Like, wait, let's maybe do. What's that? Is that Tim Pay the game? Like, the pedestrian. What's that? Sounds interesting. Go to click on it. But see, there's nowhere to, like, click on it. Then there's nothing that links. I was like, I wanted to go look what the pedestrian was. So there's nowhere to, when I click on it, there's just nowhere to link you immediately to the game. There's a million, and you know, I'm lazy sometimes. I'm sure a lot of people are lazy sometimes. Oh, that looks kind of interesting. But there's nothing that'll link me to this game. Whereas I might have just looked at it, thought it was interesting, and bought it. You know what I'm saying? On a whim. Or whatever. But if I have to go into the store and type it in, I feel like you're losing business, is what I'm trying to say. I know that there's people probably aren't gonna go type in something all the time. Like, right. Well, now I have to because now we made a video about it. So, I'm saying you could probably make more money if you have things linkable more. You know, easier to link to the game. Because then you get the people's friends wanting to buy that game. Maybe that's what this is. Let's see if that's what these is. Maybe that is. But you should do it on every single post. It should be a little more of a link, I guess. What was that? That was one of those. Look it. No, that's not even. I thought that would send me to the store. It doesn't. Yeah, you need to change that. Alright, well, this was worth making then. Hey, you should change that and make more direct links to the games. Sony. I love you.